Welcome to Motor City. Today's car is a 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air station wagon, and this one has a surprise under the hood. It has a LS1 engine swap done to it, and I guess you would call it a Restomod. Has the nice with the console on the floor, the shifter on the floor, with the redone interior, upgraded interior for it. And even has the third row seat, which is neat, and has some different wheels on it that have a good look to it. Looks like they're 17-inch wheels, the newer rally style Chevy wheels that they make with the flat center caps on them, and the roof rack, and just a nice car put together nicely. Nice cruiser. It'll be a lot more reliable with the LS engine in it. And I noticed he also did the added the hood vents to the hood off either a Nova or a Camaro 68. And although he has those are actually working because he's got them open. Normally they would be closed, but these actually are vents, so that's a nice added touch to it. But I filmed this one at a car show that I went to in Weatherford, Oklahoma, which was right off the 40. And as I was passing through and had a nice little car show there, had quite a few nice cars there for a little small town. But anyway, that's today's car of the day, a 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air station wagon with a LS motor in it. And I filmed it at a car show that I went to in Weatherford, Oklahoma. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.